Hi everyone, welcome to the Sharp Painting channel. Today we want to draw the fruit.
Sharp painting.
First we draw a kiwi. When we draw a piece of orange. Now we draw a cherry. Subscribe to the Sharp Painting channel and activate the bell so you don't miss our beautiful painting. Now let's go to coloring. Dark brown. Green. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Yellow. Orange. Dark orange. Yellow. Red. Green. So today painting is finished. Until the next video, bye bye.